Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening, one and all. Today is the Baulapaksha Pratipattithi Pradjami of Maghamasa. So, in 14 days, in the Chaturdasa, on the Chaturdasi, we will have Mahasivaratri. On that occasion, wanted to talk a little on the meaning of Muthuswami Dikshitar's Chaturdasa Ragamalika. So Muthuswami Dikshitar is one of the trinity of Karnataka Sangeeta. So he has done one prakriya without changing the thala, using multiple ragas. He explains a wonderful Saiva Siddhanta. So this Chaturdasa Ragamalika is the Pallavi Sri Vishwanatham Bhajeham Chaturdasa Bhuvana Rupa Ragamalika Bharana Dharanantakaranam. So this is the Pallavi. So Sri Vishwanatham Bhajeham. Vishwanatham, one, the Natha, who is for the Vishwa, the protector, the husband, the Bharta of Vishwanatham. I bow down, I do the bhajana of that Vishwanatha. Chaturdasa Bhuvana Rupa, of 14 Bhuvanas Rupa, Ragamalika Bharana, Raga Malikas, the garlands of these ragas, Raga Malika Bharana, Dharana, Antakaranam, who is having the internal instrument, heart, as this Chaturdasa Ragamalika Abharana, Dharana, Antakaranam. The Raga Malikas are used as Abharanas. So this is in the Sri Ragam. The people who know the music will sing this in the Sri Ragam. The meaning is what is being contemplated over here. Then in the Charana, Shrita is the Arabhi Raga. So he has put this Raga name into the Sahitya. Shritajana samsara bhityapaham. Samsara bhiti apaham. Samsara bhityapaham. Shritajana, whoever bows down to him, whoever takes his refuge in his refuge. Samsara bhityapaham. The bhiti of samsara, repeated births and deaths, that bhiti is removed. Adhyatmikadi tapatraya Manobhiti apaham. Adhyatmikadi tapatraya manobhityapaham. Adhyatmikadi Daivikadi Bhautika Bhiti Tapatraya. These are known as three tapas. Tapatraya Manobhiti apaham. Who will remove that such manobhiti? This is the Arabhi Raga. Then Sri Vishalakshi Gaurisham Sakala Nishkala Rupa Satchidanandamaya Gaurisham. Sri Vishalakshi, who is having Vishala Akshi, the eyes which are Vishala, very wide eyes, she can see everything. Gaurisham, such Gauri is Isha, the Lord of Sri Vishalakshi Gaurisham. Sakala Nishkala Rupa Satchidanandamaya Gaurisham. Sakala, with kalas, nishkala, without kalas. So as a linga, without a linga. Satchidanandamaya Gaurisham, Sach Gaurisham. This is in the Gauri Raga, this piece. The next Nata Raga. Chitra Vishwa Nataka Prakasham, Jagat Prakasha Bhaskara Seshanka Koti Koti Prakasham. Chitra Vishwa Nataka Prakasham. Very wonderful Chitra Vishwanataka, the Nataka of Vishwa. So Nata is put there in Nataka. Chitra Vishwanataka Prakasham, who enlightens the, makes it visible, Prakasham. Jagat Prakashaka Bhaskara Seshanka. What is Jagat is being Prakasham? What is being enlightened? This Jagat is Bhaskara and Seshanka, Surya and Chandra. Koti Koti Prakasham. Koti is not crore. Groups of Suryas and groups of Chandras Prakasham. Jagat Prakashaka Bhaskara Seshanka Koti Koti Prakasham. This is Nata Raga. Then Gaula Raga. Govindadi Vinuta Gaulangam. క్షీర కుంద ఇందు కర్పూరాది విజయ భసితోద్ధూళిత గౌళాంగం. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ గౌళరాగా. గోవిందాది వినుత గౌళాంగం. సో known by Govinda and Adi. So all other gods known only by them. Govindadi Vinuta Gaulangam, known as white hued body, who is known by Govindadi Vinutam, known as Vinutam, very variedly known as Govindadi Vinuta Gaulangam. Kshira, milk. Kunda, jasmine flower. Indu, moon. Karpura, camphor. Adi, Kshira Kundendu Karpuradi Vijaya Bhasitodhulita Gaulangam. Vijaya, by like that white color, Gaulangam, Gaularagam. Guru Guha Sammohana Karalingam Panchikruta Panchamahabhuta Prapanchadi Mohana Karalingam Mohanaragam. Guru Guha Sammohana Karalingam. So this is the pen name of Muthuswami Dikshitar. He uses the Guru Guha. Sammohana Karalingam. So he can Sammohana, who can mesmerize Guru Guha himself, and Guru Guha also known to a name of Murugan or the Shanmukha. Sammohana Karalingam Panchikruta Panchamahabhuta. 5 Mahabhutas. Prithivyapastejo Vayurakashat Panchikruta Panchamahabhutas, by mixed Panchikruta Prapanchadi Mohanakara Lingam. Of this Prapanchadi Mohanakara Lingam, such kind of a lingam. So we have seen up to 6 ragas: Sri, Arabhi, Gauri, Nata, Gaula, Mohana. Now Viloma, he is going in the reverse. Viloma Mohana, Virinchi Vishnu Rudra Murtimayam. Of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheswara, Murtimayam. He is filled the 3 Murtis actually. Virinchi Vishnu Rudra Murtimayam. Vishaya Panchaka Rahitam Abhayam. Who is Vishaya Panchaka Rahitam? He is not having these Vishaya Panchakas of all 5 sense organs. What Vishayas are there, like smell, touch, all the 5 touch, smell, taste, Pancha. Vishaya Panchaka Rahitam Abhayam. Because of that, he is Abhayam, not having any fear. He can remove the fear. Niratisaya Sukhada Nipunataram. Niratisaya Sukhadam. So of the moksha, Niratisaya Sukhadam Nipunataram. So reverse Viloma Mohana, Viroha Gaula, Viroha Nata. Nigamasaram Ishwaramamaram. Nigamasaram. Of all the Vedas, the Saram, essence of all the Vedas, Nigamasaram, Ishwaram, Amaram. There is no death. Who has won over the death? Smaraharam, Paramasiva Matulam. Smaraharam, who has killed the Smara or the Kamadeva. Smaraharam, Paramasivam, Atulam. No, nothing. Tulam. Tula is to measure. So nothing can measure him. Atulam. Smaraharam Paramasiva Matulam. Then Sri Ragam, Viloma Sri Ragam. Sarasa Sadaya Hrodaya Nilayam Anisham. Sarasa Sadaya Hrodayam Anisham. Sarasa Sadaya. With Rasa, who are feeling Sarasa Sadaya. Always Sadaya Hrodayam. Who is filled in the hearts of the Sarasa Sadaya. Such people who have Sarasa and Sadaya. Nilayam, always living in such hearts, Anisham. Sri Vishwanatham Bhajeham. So 6 ragas and 6 raga Viloma is done. Now Samaragam. Sadasivam Samagana Vinutam Prakrutyadi Sapta Rupa Samagana Vinutam. Sadasivam, ever pure Sadasivam. Samagana Vinutam, Samaraga, Samagana Vinutam, Prakrutyadi Sapta Rupa Samagana Vinutam. Prakruti is underlying Prakruti and Sapta Vikrutis of in the Samagana which will come up. By known by them, Sanmatram Lalita Hrudaya Viditam, Kama Krodhadi Rahita Lalita Hrudaya Viditam. Sanmatram, Satchitananda Rupam, we have told in the complete 3 qualities. Now Sanmatram, Satrupam, Lalita Hrudaya Viditam, who is having Lalita Hrudayam, a soft Hrudaya. Viditam, by known by them. Kamakrodhadhirahita lalita hrudaya vinutam. Kamakrodhadhirahita. Once kamakrodhas are removed, such lalita hrudaya vidhitam. That is Lalita Ragam. Bhairava Ragam. Chidakasa Bhairavam Puraharam Vidhikapala Trishula Bhairavam Puraharam. Chidakasa Bhairavam. In the Chidakasa, who is dancing? Bhairavam Puraharam Tripurasura Samharam. Smaraharam Puraharam. So we keep using these names to the Shiva. Vidhikapala, one who has the Kapala of Brahma. Vidhikapala Trishula Bhairavam, having Vidhikapala Trishula Bhairavam Puraharam Sarangaragam. Chitsabheshwaram Sarangadharam Darukavana Tapodhana Kalpita Sarangadharam. Saranga is the bow. So Chitsabheshwaram Sarangadharam, which is the Chitsabheshwaram, Chidambaram, Chidambar Ishwara, Sarangadharam, Darukavana Tapodhana Kalpita Sarangadharam. Darukavana Vilasam is Ramana Maharshi's Upadesa Saram comes with Darukavana Vilasam. Then God went to the Darukavana Tapodhana Kalpita Sarangadharam. The tapas, the Tapodhanas are in the Darukavana is doing the tapas. Lord goes and gives them the highest knowledge. This is the Sarangaraga. Sadasrayami Sankarabharanam Chintitartha Vitarana Dhurina Taramanikyamaya Sankarabharanam. So Sankarabharana Ragam. Sadasrayam Sada Ashrayami, I always Ashraya take the refuge in this Sankarabharanam, who is having the Sankarabharanam. Chintitartha Vitarana Dhurina Tara Manikya. So Chintitartha, Chintamani, such Manikya, Dharadhurina, holding such Dharadhurina Sankarabharanam. Satkadidayaka Kambhoja Charanam, Dharmarthadhi Akhila Purushartha Pradam, Samartha Taramboja Charanam. One who is having the Charanam, Amboja Charanam, lotus feet of Sadgatidayaka, good Gati, Sadgati, right path, Sadgatidayaka, Kambhoja Charanam, Dharmardhadhi, Akhila Purushartha, Dharmardha Kama Moksha, Akhila Purushartha, Samartha Tara Amboja Charanam. Devakriya Ragam. Vadanya Devakriya Khelanam Sushti Sthiti Vilaya Tirodhana Anugraha Karana Kriya Khelanam. Vadanya Kriya Devakriya Khelanam. The Devakriya of doing the Srushti Sthiti Vilaya Tirodhana Anugraha. These are the 5 Kriyas. Kriya Khelanam. Playing around in these 5 Kriyas. Vaidyalinga Bhupala Palanam Sripura Nirutibhaga Gartatira Stiratara Bhupala Palanam. Here he just the Vaidyalinga is the king at that time. Bhupala Palanam, one who is protecting him. Sripura Vibhu, Sripura Nirutibhaga, Sripura Nairuti Bhaga, Gartatira Sthita. Sthiratara Bhupala Palanam, who is established in Gartatira Sthiratara. Gartatira is a place of Sripura Nairuti Bhaga. So 6 ragas, Sama, Lalita, Bhairava, Saranga, Sankarabharanam, Kambhoji, Devakriya, Bhupala are done. Then the Vilomam, Guru Ganesha Sura Naresha Manisham. So this is Bhupala Viloma. Kuja Bodhadhi Grahagati Vihitam. So Guru Ganesha Sura Naresha Manisham. So he has Kuja Bodha Grahadi Vihitam. All the Grahas are acting according to his this thing. Varadam Amala Ravisesi Nayanam. Varadam Amalam. He is able to give the Varas and Amalam, who is pure always without any Mara. Ravisesi Nayanam, having the Anala. Varadam Anala Ravisesi Nayanam. Agni and Ravisesi Nayanam. Vanaja Chandra Sannibhavadanam. Vanaja Chandra Sannibhavadanam. The face is like Chandra. Sachvadanam. Paramahamsananda Nartanam. This is Saranga reverse. Now Sat Chit have been explained and now Ananda, third quality. Paramahamsananda Nartanam. His dance is Paramahamsananda Nartanam. completely detached Paramahamsas, Ananda Nartanam, Patita Pavana Karanam Aghaharanam, Patita Pavana Karanam Aghaharanam, Bhairavaragam, Viloma Bhairava. Parataram, Paramanolaya Jayam, Parataram of Supreme and a Paramanolaya. Once Manas is Layam, completely merged, Manolaya Jayam. Such kind of victory, who has that and who can give that, grant that. Paradi Vak Prakashanandamayam. Parapasyanti Majjama Vaikhari, 4 types of walks are there. Paradi Vak Prakashanandamayam. Such Prakashanandam. All 4 types of walks, Nadam, is coming from him. Nadopasana, he is going into the day. Then again, reverse. Virinchi Vishnu Rudramurtimayam Vishaya Panchakarahitama Bhayam Niratisaya Sukhada Nipunataram Nigamasara Ishwaram Amaram Smaraharam Parasiva Mamalam Atulam Sarasa Sadaya Hrudaya Nilaya Manisham Sri Vishwanadham Bhajeham. So like that, Muthuswami Dikshitar, great yogi, philosopher, saint, musician, and the point we wanted to get onto it is the Sahitya part of it. So there is a highly important Sahitya, complete Saiva Agama has been fit into this Chaturdasa Ragamalika, Chaturdasa Bhuvanas, Chaturdasa Ragamalika. On Chaturdasi we are going to get the Maha Sivaratri in 14 days. So the wisdom in our culture is all integrated. The music, Sangeeta Sahitya Samalankrite, the goddess Saraswati has Sangeeta Sahityas together, and such a Sahitya and such a prakriya of doing a Ragamalika, all of this is sung normally in the Aditala. So this is a Ragamalika. Tala will not change, Raga will change. There are great musicians who have sung this. People who are interested can get into and figure out this song somewhere, and you will be able to. So let the grace of Sadasiva Sri Vishwanatha be on all those who are praying him or who are not even praying him. Swasti.